Inspiration tonight from local leaders. The mayor of North Las Vegas speaking to kids at Somerset Academy about making a difference.
I was in the 6th grade, and I think we have some 6th graders here. We took this test. Everybody in the whole school district, whole Clark County School District.
As it goes for 2021, this was something new. It was a hybrid assembly for middle school students. That means some were at home attending virtually and some were actually there in person. Mayor Lee says he wants to let students know that even during the pandemic, it's very important that they focus on their future and prepping themselves for higher education.
That's what my goal here today is, to let them understand that North Las Vegas, that they have the potential to be the mayor someday, and if they'll just work through, get their schoolwork done, set goals, and do all the things that their mom and dad tell them to do, that one day they could be the mayor, or they could come speak at their school one day when they're successful.
Good advice. So the mayor says he likes to talk to students often and has held events at CSN High School in Rancho, which is his alma mater.